Have you ever found yourself wishing for something bigger, something better in your life? You know, a dream, a goal, or a vision that seems just out of reach. What if I told you that the key to unlocking your soul's power lies in something as simple, yet profound, as visualization? Yes, visualization. It's not just for athletes or daydreamers. It's a tool that, when used properly, can help you manifest the life you've always desired. Now, close your eyes for a moment. Imagine the life you truly want. Picture it in the most vivid detail. The sights, the sounds, the emotions. You're living it. It's real. That's the magic of visualization. It's your soul's way of tapping into your highest potential. Visualization is more than just seeing with your mind's eye. It's a bridge between where you are and where you want to be. It's the process of using your imagination to align your thoughts with your desires. And when done correctly, it harnesses the power of your soul to manifest reality. So, how do you use this technique for powerful soul manifestation? Let's break it down. Step 1. Clear your mind and set your intention. Before you can begin visualizing, you need to clear the clutter in your mind. Find a quiet space, take a deep breath, and let go of the noise. Now, focus on one intention. What do you truly want to manifest in your life? Whether it's financial freedom, love, success, or inner peace, be specific. The clearer your intention, the more powerful your visualization will be. Step 2. Engage all your senses. Visualization isn't just about seeing. Imagine how your goal feels, smells, sounds, and even tastes. The more senses you engage, the more vivid the experience becomes. If you're visualizing success, picture yourself standing in your dream office, the scent of fresh coffee in the air, the sound of your colleagues congratulating you, and the feeling of pride swelling in your chest. All these details are key to creating a powerful, tangible manifestation. Step 3. Feel the emotions. This is where the magic happens. Manifestation doesn't just rely on the thoughts you think, but on the emotions you feel. When you visualize, truly feel what it would be like to already have your dream. How does it feel to be living your ideal life? The emotions you feel will send a powerful signal to the universe, telling it that you are ready to receive your desires. Step 4. Visualize consistently. Manifestation is a process, not a one-time event. Practice visualization every day, even if it's just for 5 minutes. The more you align your mind and soul with your desires, the quicker they will manifest. Trust in the process, and know that with every visualized moment, you are getting closer to your soul's highest calling. Remember, your soul is a powerful force. When you align your inner world with your outer reality, there is nothing that can stop you. So take a few moments each day to visualize your desires, feel the emotions, and trust that manifestation is already happening. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it with someone who might benefit. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on manifesting your dreams. We'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let us know how you're using visualization to manifest your life. Your journey to powerful soul manifestation starts now. Stay connected, keep visualizing, and always believe in the power of your soul.